Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. And again, I would like to welcome those who visit the Manila Cathedral as pilgrims of hope. Teacher, we saw someone driving out demons in your name, and we tried to prevent him because he does not follow us. In other words, he does not belong to us. And the implication is, if he does not belong to us, he is our enemy. And so the suggestion is, Lord, tell him to stop doing what they are doing. And the response of Jesus is a lesson about tolerance. Do not prevent him. He is doing what I am doing, and therefore, we cannot consider him our enemy. Let us be tolerant about differences. Sa mundo naman, talagang magkakaiba tayo eh. Katulad ninyo ngayon, sa pananamit, iba-iba kayo. Maging sa kulay ng inyong damit, iba-iba kayo. You are wearing different color of shirt, of clothes. But, notice, all of you are looking forward. Not looking at me, I suppose, but looking at the altar, looking at the crucifix. And therefore, you cannot say that the person sitting beside me who happens to be wearing a different color of clothing or t-shirt is my enemy because we are different. No. Yes, we are different, but we are not necessarily enemies because we are looking towards the same direction. Ang tinitignan natin, iisa lang naman eh, si Jesus. Ang sinusundan natin, iisa lang naman eh, ang Panginoon. Hindi maiiwasang magkakaiba tayo, pero hindi tayo magkakaaway sapagkat iisa ang ating pinapanginoon. And that is the point of Jesus. There is no one who performs a mighty deed in my name who can at the same time speak ill of me. He may be using this different method. He may be using or saying different words, but the thought is the same. For whoever is not against us is for us. He may be different, but he is not our enemy. You know, in some parts of the world, there is what we call or they call DEI. And it's a very hot topic in the US right now. DEI means diversity, equity, inclusion. Diversity. We belong to different nations, different cultures. We come from speaking different languages. We are diverse. But we have to be tolerant of each other in spite of our diversity. And that is why diversity must be accompanied by inclusion and equity. That is the message of the gospel. It does not mean that one is different is our enemy. Because, let us admit it, would you like to appear like me? Gusto ba ninyo magkakamukha tayo? Ang ganda, if you look at the painting, I suppose many of you have seen paintings. The beauty of a painting comes from the fact that it is made of different colors, vibrant colors. Boring if the painting is only one color. You have a painting of red or blue. It's not exciting to look at, but the painting is beautiful because it is composed of different colors. We are different from each other, but we are not necessarily enemies. To be tolerant of our differences, as long as we are looking towards the same direction, who is Christ. Amen.